So this is going to be your tibial mobilization and standing in half kneeling. The goal of the exercise is to improve how the shin bone rotates in and out. This movement's really important for exercises like split squats, squats, deadlifts, and everyday activities like walking or for standing prolonged periods of time. So in order to do this exercise, all we need is a chair, and so let's go through it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leg in question that I want to work on. I'm going to put it on top of a chair, a bench, something where there's a straight line between my knee and my hip. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my index fingers on both sides and identify where my shin bone is. It's the most pointy, hardest part of the front of your shin. This is called your tibia. My foot is flat on the surface with 3 points of contact, my big toe knuckle, my fifth toe knuckle, and my heel. I don't want to lose any parts of my foot as we do this activity. So hands go on the tibia here. My thumbs are going to hook just behind. Now, when I start to bring my shin forward like this, I want to use my hands as I go forward to rotate my shin bone in gradually. As I come back out, we're going to assist by rotating out. So in, we're going to rotate in as my knee goes forward. As we go back, we're going to rotate out. Our hands are simply assisting the shin bone to show that this is an available movement for it to do if it chooses to do so. One thing we need to keep in mind, as we go forward, we don't want the knee to swivel in. We want the knee to continue to stay forward as the shin bone rotates. So here's what this looks like. Here, set my hands up. My knee is going to drive straight towards the camera as I slowly, gradually bring my shin bone in. See how my fingers are now pointing this way? I'm going to come on back. I'm going to help rotate my shin out as I shift my weight back behind me. Now my shin bone's pointing out in this direction. From here, I'm going to come forward, keep my heel down, knee's going to stay forward, driving forward, and I'm rocking back. Back and forth. My knees staying pointing forward the entire time as my shin spins out as I go back and in as I go forward. My hands are guiding, and that's the standing version. So two common compensations for this exercise is the knee as you go forward will go in, and the knee as you go backwards will go out. Make sure that you keep your full foot on, and make sure that your knee is driving over. So from a side view, it looks like this. One really important key is to make sure that your shin is going forward, but it's also always going as far back as you can. We don't want to limit the range of motion on the back end there. This can also be done half kneeling if you prefer that type of position. So what you do is whichever leg's in question, you'll have that knee up with the foot flat in the ground. You'll be on this knee here. Same exact exercise. Make sure you rock your butt back towards your heel. Drive that knee forward, rotate that shin in. What you'll also notice with this is it's gonna have an influence on how your foot moves. So as I come back and I rotate my shin out, you'll feel this arch starting to come up. As I come forward and I rotate my shin in, my foot will flatten. That's exactly what we're looking for. So this will be your tibial mobilization and standing and half kneeling.